there we have it sa ating last game against Beaumont, Fitbox, and VM Ballers. Here we have our best player of the game. Sir, introduce yourself naman.
Edong Oliver from Bulacan Silang Cavite.
Ano yung mga ginawa nyo adjustment para manalo ngayon, Edong?
Ayun, nag-adjust lang kami as a team. Siyempre, mas alam namin mas lamang kami sa kanila kasi sa chemistry o pagdating sa motion and transition. Ayun lang, ginawa lang namin yung dati namin at lagi namin pinapractice.
Ikaw ang ating best player. May gusto ko ba i-shoutout?
Shoutout sa BM Ballers family.
Congratulations. See you next week, ha? Okay, okay.